Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhruvi Patel. I am first year student of computer engineering at Swaminarayan University. Today I am going to solve LeetCode problem number 917, which is reverse only letters. So in this problem I have given a string and I have to return the string in which all the letters of a string are reversed, but here I have to only reverse the letters which is lowercase and uppercase letters. I do not have to reverse the numbers and special characters. So as you can see here, I have given conditions. So here I have tell that all the characters that are not English letters remain it in the same position. So here I have to do not change the position of the characters which are not English letters. After that, I have to only all the English letters, lowercase or uppercase, should be reversed. So here I have to only reverse lowercase and uppercase English characters. So now let's see in example 1. So here it is example 1. So here I have given A B hyphen C D. So I have to reverse uh, the I have to starting from here I am using two pointers approach, and I am starting from starting of the string and ending. So here I am taking A and D, so I am reversing A and D by swapping. After that I am swapping B and C by each other, replacing both the characters. Now here it is hyphen, so I do not have to swap it, and here I am putting it as it is in the same position. After that, now let's see in example 2. So here I have given string, and I am starting from A and here from J. So I have to swap A and J. So J comes first and A goes to last. After that, I am incrementing I am moving forward from the first. So I am getting hyphen, so I do not have to do not have to change the position of characters which are not uppercase or lowercase letters. So here I am taking the adding the hyphen at the same position. After that I am incrementing it and going to B, and here I am taking capital I. So I am I am swapping both the characters. So I comes first and B goes at the end. So by this I am swapping the characters of the string. Now this is the problem. Now let's see the approach to solve this problem. So this is the point. This is the approach. So as I say earlier, I am taking here two pointers approach. And what is two pointers approach? So here I am taking two variables, which is I and j. So I points to the starting of the string, and j points to the ending of the string. And I am running the while loop until I is less than equals to j, and I have to check that if s of I is not a letter, then I have to move forward in a I and move forward in a string by I incrementing I plus plus. After that, if s of j is not a letter, so means from the ending I am not finding any letter or character, so I have to move backward in the string. After that, if after that in a else, if both the condition are not true, means I am getting the characters at the both the position, so I have to swap both the uh, characters. So here I am swapping both the characters at the both the position, and after that I am moving forward from I and moving backward in the string by j minus minus, and at last I have to return the modified string at as the result. So this is the example. Now let's see how this is giving us result when I am swapping the characters or reversing string. Now here when I am traveling in a string, so I am getting a as the character, and from the last I points to A and J points to J. So this is the two pointers. Now I am starting from A and swapping both the characters. Now here I am swapping J and A, so this gives as a result this. Now I am moving I by incrementing I, so it gives hyphen, and when I am moving backward in a string, it gives capital I. So I do not have to replace the change the position of hyphen, so I am adding the hyphen as it is. After that, I am moving forward and getting B, so I have to change I and B because I am getting character at both the places. Now this is the uh, position. Now here I am pointing C, and from here I am pointing H, so I have to swap both the characters. So here H, and here I have to add capital C. Now when I am incrementing I, it points to hyphen, and it points to G, so here I have to add hyphen as it is. Now it points to D. Now I am adding G and D here by swapping the both characters. After that, it points to hyphen, and this points to capital E, so I have to add hyphen as it is. Now I am moving backward in a string, and now mm, from the J, character becomes E, so I have to swap both the characters. So here I am adding F, and here it is E. So this is the required output which I have get. So I have to only here I have to only change the position of the character, reverse the position of the characters, if it is uppercase or if it is lowercase. Now let's doing the code of the problem. So now here I am taking two pointers, which is I, it points to the starting of the string, so I am taking index 0, and int j, which is point to the ending of the string. So here I have to take the s dot size -1, which is the last which gives the index of the last element of the string. After that, I have to running the while loop until I is less than equals to j. Now in a if condition, I am checking that if s of I is greater than equals to a, shift end. Now s of I should be less than equals to j. It is checking for the incorrect condition, because if characters are not in a to z, so I have to running this condition. So here I am also checking for the uppercase letter, so s of I should be greater than equals to capital A, and it should be less than equals to capital Z. Now I have what I have to do is I have to increment the I and continue the loop, because if characters are not, if here I am if I am if here I am not finding any uppercase or lowercase character, means it is any special character or any English letters which is not which is not uppercase or lowercase characters. So here I have to increment the I, and after that, in else if condition, I am checking that the same condition I am checking for the j, which is pointer from the last. So here I have to check for the j. If this condition is true, now I have to moving backward in a string and continue the loop. Now here I am swapping here this condition is not true, then I am swapping the both the characters, means I am finding the characters at both the positions, so I have to swap the characters. So here I am taking care temp, which stores s of I And after that, in s of I am storing s of j, and in s of j I have to store s of I, which is stored in temp. Now after that I have to increment I, and I have to decrease, I have to move backward from the backward position in the string, and I plus plus used to move forward in a string. After that, at last I have to return the modified string, which is the original string. I am directly modifying in the original string. So this is the solution. Now let's check the code if it is working properly or not. So as you can see, it passed all the 3 test cases. Now also I can add custom test case from here. So from adding here, so now let's check code is working or not. So also it is working properly for custom test case. Now I am checking the code by submitting. So it is successfully passed all the 115 test cases. So our code is correct. Now let's see the time complexity and space complexity of code. So time complexity of code is big O of n, and space complexity is big O of 1, because here I do not require any extra data structure or memory to store any values or results. So here space complexity is a constant, and time complexity is big O of n, because I am running the loop, while loop, which so its time complexity is big of n, because here I am running n times in a string. So this is the solution. If you find this solution helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.